Alright guys, so I'm doing the final piece of shopping to decor my house. Hopefully it's the final. This towel in Bashko. I'm in Bashko. $6.50. I thought towel get pricey, man. I'm thinking I was hoping for something cheaper. I thought towel get pricey. $600. This is 17 by 30. So wow. Okay guys, so babe made dinner. This is some zucchini steamed, basically steamed veggies with shrimp in it. Yep, I can't wait to dine in it. This looks good, it looks delicious. And he also made some curry chicken. Oh guys, I forgot to show you, we bought a set of new pots. These pots, they are popping. The colors, they're everything. Oh my god, I love I love these pots. The set is just, it's a set of 4 and I love the color. I love the color. And with that being said, you know, some cooking videos gonna come because really and truly I did chart some pots. And rice and peas over here. So yep, so we're gonna feast soon. That's what's up for dinner, and then we're gonna have a little veggies on this side. So yeah, this is basmati rice. So yeah, so you know it's gonna be dinner time soon. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. Like the color and everything, just nice and unique. Like we purchased it in quartz. I love them. The color them just nice. Guys, how you feel about the World Cup turnout? Yes, all the truck are real for the flag. Yes. Go Argentina, go. Standing firm. You know the people don't feel like good about it, but I say go. I feel the fan, how you feel, alright? How you feel?
How do you feel? Football done.
Football done, oh. Football done, you know, see Argentina play. You must support side, your other side in the house.
Gone already.
Where your other side there?
England.
So, how you support by side?
Let me support the side first.
Where you support by side?
Where you support the side, you're not for your side.
Where me not on my side?
Me, you ask me why me not support this
because
side.
Because me support this side.
You need support Brazil when me support Brazil.
Me not support Brazil because you kill me side, you diss me side all the time. See your flag over there, so what's there? The flag, see there? You want to take dog.
My flag in a mic.
See there? You want yes, guys. Today Argentina is playing against Croatia. I'm gonna ask you how much today. So so we're at 2-0. So yeah.
Smells like Quaker. Start every day with Quaker.
That's true. Alright guys, yeah. We're in Arcabeza tone. Arcabeza, you guys know this here? You know the place, yeah? Alright, we're in Arcabeza, so yeah. That's what's up. Alright guys, so just celebrating the win for Argentina. Just want to put that out there first. That was my flag. Wait me what? My flag. We're going to the finals. Yes. Anyways, we stopped and got 2 cheese patties. 2 nice juicy cheese patties with a lemonade, and I'll mash this up right now. Do you guys know the rule that they add for eating a patty? You put them out now, go. You know that go. Mean say, you know real Jamaican pan the patty based business. So I'm gonna crunch this patty right now, endorse my patty, walla vibe, and head home. it's to 5. Do you see it? It's like you can tell. You can tell. Alright, you can tell based on how the place look and the weather and everything. So yeah. Yeah. Look tired, look much about going, but I'm trying to drop the crumbs on my car. Enough for like more crumbs already. You hungry? I know I'm going to cook, but I might not cook because I eat something from now. Yeah, this week is a busy week at school too because I'm in charge of keeping the fun there and me run up and down. So yeah, don't grab no door. How big is the cockroach?
In big, man.
Babe, since you want cockroach, I'm going to open the door. No, me care.
Like a running, as
Run
they
in
pull
there.
the door and run come in.
So where am I run coming here for?
And run gone, so.
So where I get rid of them out of here?
It's me a spirit with big.
Yeah? You can't put big in there because
Oh, but just a
Yeah.
shot.
what cockroach are doing on my car?
What are they telling dead?
Eh? Oh, my dead.
He can't survive. There'll be a heat run on that.
Oh God.
When the heat take him more run now.
Can't let me build. Eh? Let me build for me now, boo. Thank you. Yeah, show me.
Wash me.
Alright, so we're not gonna be.
Wash me. Wash me if I wash him.
May I know by side? Alright, people, so later, I'm reach home. When I reach home, come on. I'm going to park. I'm not going to go. Yeah, but I'm going to go grab a pack now. It's one crunch now. So I'm going to
I buy one and it just wash night. Now, every day I'm going to buy one over this.
Man. Movie, I'm going to movie?
Yeah. The party burn up and tap us on my tongue. Cheese and peace and nearly dead.
I say party
Like,
dead?
one time I have to put dry in now. I want them to buy it and solar and if just pity up. I don't have to pity up.
Party too hot.
I pit out the tree with me when I glass fast and pit out it. I don't want to pit out it because waste it a waste. But why? It is too hot. It is too hot.
Why me every day because me say, people, what's your best party story? Or what's your experience with party? Sometimes party hot, you know. Sometimes the party hot, me I tell you, the party sweet, but the party hotty. It hot till enough time me I eat party. Or you can tell me I eat party and like the party nice, but the party hot. So when the party and the party watching.
Fool. Look how long you feel go over with the car. Man, I give me all long.
When the party hot and the party nice, is that you're in between that should you eat the party or should you not eat the party? Because the party hot and it's nice, but you're like, you what? May I shout? Oh, I don't know where may I shout. So like when the party hot and it's nice, it's like you're in between like, what should you do? Should I not eat the party? Should I wait till it's cold? You don't know the road.
I don't even know the road, not know light.
You probably don't know.
I don't know the road, you have to know light. You don't know by the road, you have to know light.
Your mouth a leak party crumbs.
Oh, fool, man. Come on for the road, man. I'm going to learn. See me, I don't want to light on here, realize. Come here, watch me.
I was going to say, must be a woman. But
Must be a woman.
I don't want to be one of those women drivers that go against women. I have to be with
them.
you against them.
I'm not against them. So my time they do something sitting where you have to say, I'm more sort of woman.
Women. I'm a woman.
You have some woman where you have big bad driver power, but you have somewhere. God go with them.
Which one where you put me?
You're not a big bad driver. But you're not idiot on the road. You can't drive, you know what you do. You have someone who know them do.
So where you put me in between?
Yeah. More to up.
So why you think I'm a big bad driver?
You're a big bad driver. Cause me don't know. Me never you always the can't hold where you never see. see a lick. Maybe I said, but see what right there in front of you. Oh, you don't see that they wall there.
If you know me and you asking about driver night, what me I will tell you say? Eh?
If you can't see.
Me can't see a night. So, me not about the night driving because me can't see a night. Me can't see a night, people. So, me not about the night driving.
Oh, no.
But, other than that, me not one of them clown driver up on the road. Speaking, see, audience talk to me. Me will lick the hole, but me is not a clown. You have some women, not women alone, but you have some women.
You have some man to drive. You have one that sit around with them too.
Like, me hate to see people drive and drive like them an idiot. Me hate it. Me hate it. And if you're not ready for your road, no company road. No company road. But
what L company? So me know for expert.
Audience say L don't stand for learners, it stand for what?
Lunatic there,
Oh my God.
If you know say you have to do something on the road, put the L company so me know of expert. Me give you distance and me give you time. And when me see me can pass up, me fly past up. But
don't act like a lunatic without the sign.
Yeah. Sure say you're a registered lunatic.
We didn't expect the word there. We didn't expect the word there, people. Yo, listen. You have some people that drive on the road, like stupid. Like the idiot boy in front of we see sign the jerk boss.
You know what video say what we did?
Oh, come over, take me and give him pass. Me not go, me care. It dropping at the hole, me dropping at the hole. If me don't see the hole, but me not go drive me can and want hole boom boom. But so if the road rough, me will slow down. Exactly. If the road bad, me slow down and make all of it.
Me? Up on a good road, me flow me pedal.
Of course.
Up on a bad road, I slow just me.
That is me too. Put me on the good road, me will drive.
Nobody now buy the parts to me and me have to buy it.
I always say that, listen, if bad road determine if me a driver or not, then me no driver, because I know bad road supposed to determine if you're a driver or not. Jamaica road them, it's just out of the question. Like, I saw a sign, well, we saw a sign on a taxi. Taxi say, I'm not drunk, I'm just skipping. I'm just skipping all. Get in a car, you dash from
people that think you're mad.
Left to right, and people that think I go with the car, but nothing now go with it.
Taxman that think you're mad, because taxman might go in a patrol like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, I mean.
And I wonder where somebody has skip out of, but guess what? None of them are by pass.
So when he won't care.
Some of them are by pass, you know.
So when he won't care. Drive fast school. And Brizzo?
And then we go sing cold there.
Brizzo? No, sir. Maybe turn to his smile and say, I wish you were the car there drive pan. I can't see everyone that will come in pan. Much one different road. Man, I know all the girls are 80 from bad road. But yeah.
At Christmas, take on the time.
Take on the time at the radio man. Did I say
weekend gone, I changed somebody dead from car accident. Just a weekend alone and I changed somebody dead. Take on the time.
And
now it's emergency now, we have a speed, but if you don't have a speed right through the journey, take your time.
makes sense. Look at the time, people. Only this is 2023.
I'm 24, I'm 25.
Well, you're called 23 now, guys. Coming up. Well, keep on the time. On the road. But you're going to visit.
Ah, that's yeah.
You want me to take two of them? Anyways, guys, later. Later. If I get cold. Please get dark too, so later. Bye.